Hey everyone, I wanted to take a second and just walk you through what I've done with Module 5 because it is a little different from what we have been doing so far this semester. I really am trying to come up with a variety of ways for you all to access the world of AT. So rather than me giving you a bunch of different readings to go through, this week you're actually going to be working together as a group. I've assigned you to different groups. You'll be working together to brainstorm a case scenario situation that I have put together for you. You're going to make some decisions as a team because AT evaluation is all about collaboration and working together. You're going to do some research because that's also part of this process. I provided some resources. We've talked about several resources. You can definitely also reach out to related service personnel that you work with for, like speech paths or OTs, PTs, or other AT experts. What I want is for us, for all of you, to have the opportunity to share what you know or what you can find out, as well as learn how to research options. So, make sure, first of all, that you're going through each page of the module because I do line out, I do discuss each piece. So if you click on the introduction, I have a couple little videos that I want you to watch. Then I go into my expectation for the project, okay? The learning objectives, and then here's your task list. Don't forget this week you also need to submit your instructional materials assignment, that first instructional materials assignment. Thank you for those of you who have already done that. That's pretty awesome. You should continue to be working on part 2 of your AT case study. I'm hoping the activity this week will kind of actually help you with that process somewhat because you're doing kind of a practice version. But you should be continuing to collect data or information about the different environments your case study student may need AT access, and taking a look at that. But that part 2 is not due this week. I just wanted to tell you, you should be working on it, okay? So once you go through the intro, then you click to the next page, we have the discussion instructions. All right, so I review the instructions. I've created a Google Doc for each group that you will be working in. It has all the formatting for what you need to do the assignment. Here are some resources. I've given you most of these before, but I wanted to make sure you had them again as you're doing research. This is not an exhaustive list, but definitely somewhere to start. This Tech Matrix one is cool because you can actually search disability categories and content categories, and they give you ideas of different AT. You just want to dig deeper on whatever those ideas are because some of them may not be current. That it's really hard to stay on top of the AT world because things change so frequently, but it is a really cool tool. Anyway, when you are doing this discussion, I need you to get in there early. So try to have at least start posting stuff by this coming Wednesday, the 12th, if not earlier, okay? But at the very latest, start getting in there Wednesday. You're going to have group members that are frustrated with you if you wait any longer than that, for sure. You should be in and out of this document and discussions several times throughout the week. I'm not going to put a hard number on it, but I'm telling you I'm expecting several because this is the bulk of your work for the week. I want you to collaborate with your peers. That being said, if you all decide to do some type of group meet or something to chat through something like that, make sure someone takes notes and posts that in your discussion group. And then, but overall, how I'm going to look at your collaboration and your engagement with this is I'll be checking the discussion posts itself and or the comments that you post within the Google Doc for your group, okay? You will then, as a team, decide what you're going to fill out in that Google Doc template, and when your project is done, okay, and fill all that out. All right, the final discussion, everything should be finished by Monday the 17th, and there you have it. So you'll go to the group page. You'll only see one link to your group. It'll take you to that Google Doc. I've got a Google Doc link there. If you run into any problems, let me know. Thanks so much, guys.